Hello, good morning student. Hope you are fine and you are stay in home. It's me your science teacher from National Papson Kaski. Today we are here to learn our new lesson 4, pressure. I hope you learned a little bit in your previous class 6, about the term pressure. Pressure is defined as the force per unit area, or it is mostly defined as perpendicular force applied in unit area, or thrust per unit area. Thrust means the force, perpendicular force. Clear? Okay, student. Pressure, the force applied per unit, right? The definition at first, the force applied per unit area is called pressure, isn't it? The force applied per unit area is called pressure. Now, pressure is denoted by P, where P is equal to force upon area, where P is equal to force upon area, unit of pressure. Now, calculation of unit of pressure. P is equal to F means unit of force, F means M into A upon A means L into B is equal to. M means mass, unit is kg, A means area, A means acceleration due to gravity, its unit is meter per second square, whole divided by L means meter into meter. Is equal to kg per meter per second square, kg per meter per second square, or simply unit of pressure P is equal to Newton, force को unit of force is Newton upon unit of area is meter square. Simply unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, or it is called Pascal, 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 which is denoted by P into the Pascal is denoted by Pascal. Pascal is denoted by PA, which is the SI unit of a pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Newton meter square. This one is the unit of pressure, or this unit is called the Pascal or PA. Pressure भनेको के रहेछ? Force per unit area. Force per unit area. फोर्स को अपन एरिया गर्नुभयो भने, फोर्सलाई एरियाले डिवाइड गर्नुभयो भने त्यो बेलामा जति डेभलप भएको क्वान्टिटीलाई हामी के भन्दा रहेछौं? प्रेशर भनेर भन्ने रहेछौं. प्रेशरको डेफिनेसन के रहेछ? द फोर्स एप्लाइड पर युनिट एरिया इज कॉल्ड प्रेशर. द फोर्स एप्लाइड पर युनिट एरिया इज कॉल्ड प्रेशर. फोर्स एप्लाइड पर युनिट एरिया इज कॉल्ड pressure. It is denoted by P. The unit of the pressure is denoted by P, and its formula is P is equal to F upon A. Now, calculation of the unit of pressure. How we calculate the unit of pressure? The unit P is equal to force upon area. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of area is meter square. It means that the unit of pressure is Newton meter square or Pascal. Pascal is denoted by PA. Pascal is denoted by PA. Okay. Once time, write one short mathematical problem. It is easiest to calculate for you. A box has 20 Newton force or Newton force. Its length and breadth are length and breadth are 4 meter and 1 meter respectively. Calculate pressure. Solution. Look, questions one time. A box has 20 Newton force. Sometimes there is written that the 20 Newton weight. 20 Newton weight or 20 Newton force. Its length and breadth are 4 meter and 1 meter respectively. इसको length कति छ 4 meter छ, breadth कति छ 1 meter छ. Calculate the pressure. We need to calculate pressure. Pressure means P. We have from the definition P is equal to F upon A. Hope you are clear. Start the solution. Write solution. Force F is equal to 20 Newton. Length L is equal to 4 meter. B is equal to 1 meter. First, pressure P is equal to what? We have P is equal to F upon A. हेर्नुस् त फोर्स भनेको 20 न्यूटन दिएको छ हो एरिया भनेको के छ छैन अब हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो फर्स्टमा एरिया क्याल्कुलेसन गर्नु पर्यो नोट एरिया A is equal to L into B. We have the value of length and breadth. The value of length is 4 meter into breadth is 1 meter is equal to 4 meter square. Now P is equal to 20 Newton unit Newton force upon 4 meter square area. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Therefore P is equal to 5 Newton per meter square or Pascal PA. You are clear? Okay. Such types of questions may be asked in your examination so that you see clearly. In this lesson we are discuss about the two types of pressure. They are first one is a solid pressure and second one is a liquid pressure. If the pressure is developed or a pressure is extracted by a solid object, if pressure is supplied by a solid object, यदि solid object को कारणले गर्दा solid object बाट pressure developed भयो भने which is called the solid pressure, isn't it? Please looks in figure. त्यहाँ फिगरमा हेर्नुस् त एकजना मान्छे के गरिरहेछ उभिरहेको छ फर्म माथि त्यो फर्म के गरेको छ दबेको छ त्यहाँ के भयो प्रेसर डेभलप भयो कि भएन हो which is called the solid. त्यहाँ दुईवटै solid objectहरु छ नि हैन so that it is called the solid pressure. त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं solid pressure भनेर भन्छौं. You are clear? Okay, student. Hope you are clear about the solid pressure. Solid pressure. Solid pressure, the formula of solid pressure is P is equal to F upon A. यदि तपाईहरुलाई अहिलेको जस्तै गरेर सोलिड प्रेसरको कुरा गरिरहेछ भने न्यूमेरिकलमा सोलिड अब्जेक्टको कुरा गरिरहेछ भने त्यो बेलामा तपाईहरुले के गर्नुस् P is equal to F upon A युज गरेर क्याल्कुलेसन गर्नुस् है ओके नेक्स्ट वान इज टाइप्स अफ प्रेसरमा छौं हामी लिक्विड फर्स्टमा के थियो solid pressure. Second ma ke rahecha liquid pressure. The pressure which is extracted from the liquid or the pressure which is supplied by a liquid. Those pressure which is supplied by a liquid. Liquid ko karanle garda pressure developed bhayo bhane such types of pressure is called the liquid pressure. The pressure which is developed by the liquid or supplied by a liquid is called the liquid pressure. Liquid को कारणले गर्दा डेभलप्ड हुने प्रेसरलाई हामी के भन्छौं लिक्विड प्रेसर भनेर भन्छौं. लिक्विड प्रेसर को फर्मुला लेख्नु पर्यो भने तपाईहरुले के लेख्नुहुन्छ P is equal to HdG लेख्नुहुन्छ है. H भनेको के हो हाइट अफ अ वेयर H is equal to height of liquid column. Height of liquid column is called H. And second one is D. D is equal to density of liquid. Density of liquid. And G is equal to due to its value is 10 meter per second square or 9.8. You should write 10 meter per second square. यदि तपाईहरुलाई लिक्विड को कुरा आएको रहेछ भने लिक्विड प्रेसर को फर्मुला याद गर्नुस् है HdG हुन्छ HdG हुन्छ. H भनेको हाइट अफ लिक्विड कोलम हो. फर एक्जाम्पल लिक्विड अझै एउटा फिगरबाट हेर्नुस् त यहाँ एउटा वाटर ट्याङ्क छ. यो वाटर ट्याङ्कमा पानी कन्टेन गरेको छ लिक्विड कन्टेन गरेको छ पानी छ. यो पानीको यो वाटर ट्याङ्कको बोटमको तपाईले प्रेसर निकाल्नु पर्ने भयो भने त्यो बेलामा हामी के गर्छौं यसको हाइट लिक्विड कोलमको हाइट भनेको यो के हो H हो. H इज द हाइट अफ अ लिक्विड कोलम. D मीन्स द डेन्सिटी अफ लिक्विड कोलम लिक्विड यूज इन इट. यहाँ युज गरेको लिक्विडको डेन्सिटीलाई हामीले D भन्छौं. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Actually, the value of acceleration due to gravity is always constant. It means that 9.8. We should put acceleration due to gravity को value त्यो liquid को त्यो बेलामा है त्यो बेलामा constant value use गर्ने गर्छौं हामी 9.8. फेरि small g को value त variable हुन्छ त्यो कुरा हामीले पछि क्लास 8, 9, 10 मा गएर पढ्ने गर्छौं. अहिले चाहिँ हामी के गर्छौं 9.8 approximately equal to 10 meter per second square लेख्छौं है. Be careful, isn't it? Density of liquid water को केसमा आयो भने density of liquid क्वेशनमा दिएको हुन्छ तपाईहरुलाई. इफ त्यो दिएन भने त्यो बेलामा 1000 डेन्सिटी को फर्मुला के हुन्छ रे kg per meter cube याद गर्नुस् है. 1000 kg per meter cube is the unit of liquid water. We are discussed some examples of pressure in our daily life. हाम्रो daily life मा युज हुने के example of pressure को डिस्कस गरौँ न. We are discussed some example of pressure. What you are playing the football? के तपाईहरु फुटबल खेल्नुहुन्छ? By wearing a football shoes. तपाईहरु फुटबल shoes वेयर गरेर लगाएर खेल्ने गर्नुहुन्छ? Football players have a shoes under their boots. Football player have the shoes under their boots. यदि तपाईहरु फुटबल खेल्नुहुन्छ भने तपाईहरुको स्कुलमा स्पोर्ट मिट हुने बेलामा तपाईहरु फुटबलहरु खेल्नुहुन्छ नि त्यो स्पोर्ट मिटमा त्यो बेलामा तपाईहरुले फुटबल शूज लगाउनु भएको हुन्छ. त्यो फुटबल शूजको फुटबल सुजको सोलमा हेर्नुभयो भने तल हेर्नुभयो भने त्यहाँ सुट्सहरू कन्टेन भएका हुन्छन् भनेको गोटीहरू कन्टेन भएका हुन्छन् suits गोटीहरू कन्टेन भएका हुन्छन् इट रिड्युस द एरिया एन्ड द प्रोड्युसेस द मोर प्रेसर त्यो फुटबलको त्यो एरिया इट रिड्युस द एरिया यसले के गर्छ त्यो प्लेयरहरूले ग्राउन्डसँग टच गर्ने एरियालाई के गरिदिन्छ रिड्युस गरिदिन्छ घटाइदिन्छ त्यहाँ सुट्सहरू कन्टेन भएका त्यो सुट्सहरूले गर्दा एरियालाई के गरिदिन्छ घटाइदिन्छ सो द्याट प्रेसर इज increases or more pressure is applied then the football player can move faster त्यसैले फुटबल प्लेयरहरू के गर्न सक्छन् छिटो दौडन सक्छन् के गर्दो रहेछ गिभ रिजनमा यो सोध्न सक्छ है याद गर्नुस् why suits are made in the boots of a football player फुटबल प्लेयरको जुत्तामा किन गोटी बनाइएको हुन्छ सोध्न सक्छ बी केयरफुल suits युज गर्यो भने के गर्दो रहेछ in that times it decrease the area increase the pressure जब एरिया इन्क्रिज हुन्छ प्रेसर के हुन्छ डिक्रिज हुन्छ कुरा बुझ्नु भयो ओके नंबर 2 it is easier to cut the something with a sharp knife than with the blunt one it is easier to cut a something by using the sharp knife एउटा धारिलो चक्कु लिएर काट्नु भयो भने त्यो बेलामा केही काट्नको लागि सजिलो हुन्छ रे तपाईहरु याद गर्नुस् न त्यो हामीले प्राय के गरेका हुन्छौं भने त्यो खसीहरु काट्ने बेलामा अथवा केही काट्ने बेलामा चक्कुको केही समयमा 2-4 महिनाको इन्टरभलमा त्यो चक्कुमा चाहिँ धार लगाउने भनेर के गरेका हुन्छौं धार लगाएका हुन्छौं किन त्यसको त्यो टिपलाई अथवा त्यसको त्यो इन पार्टलाई कटिङ साइडलाई के गर्नको लागि हो त्यसलाई चाहिँ शार्प बनाउन हो धारिलो बनाउन हो त्यसले काट्यो भने के हुन्छ रे इजियर हुन्छ किन त्यसको एरिया के हुन्छ सानो हुन्छ जब एरिया सानो हुन्छ नि त्यो बेलामा प्रेसर के हुन्छ हायर हुन्छ कुरा बुझ्नु भयो ओके नेक्स्ट एउटा टर्म क्याल्कुलेसन कन्सल्ट गरौँ नेक्स्ट टर्म भनेको तपाईहरुले के कुरा याद गर्नु भएको छ भने the bottom of a dams are made a thicker bottom of a dam देख्नु भएको छ डेम त्यो पानीहरु कलेक्सन गर्नको लागि बनाएको हुन्छ नि हो त्यो डेमको बोटम चाहिँ के गरेको हुन्छ रे थिकर बनाएको हुन्छ मोटो बनाएको हुन्छ व्हाट इज द रिजन द लिक्विड प्रेशर डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेप्थ अफ अ लिक्विड प्रेशर हामी भर्खरै कुरा गर्दै थियौ लिक्विड प्रेशर P = HdG लिक्विड प्रेशर P = HdG को कुरा गर्दै थियौ liquid pressure P is directly proportional to H. When the height is increases, then the pressure is also increases, so that the bottom part of a dam are made thicker. तलको पार्ट चाहिँ त्यही भएर के बनाएको हुन्छ मोटो बनाएको हुन्छ डेम को तल बटम को पार्ट चाहिँ के हुन्छ मोटो हुन्छ माथि चाहिँ के हुन्छ सानो हुन्छ साँगुरो हुन्छ रिजन के रहेछ लिक्विड प्रेशर इज डाइरेक्टली proportional to the height of liquid column जति तल जान्छ नि लिक्विड कलम को जति तल हुन्छ नि त्यो बेलामा के हुन्छ प्रेशर बढ्दै जान्छ प्रेशर बढ्यो भने त डेम चाहिँ के गर्ने चान्सेस बढी हुन्छ फुट्ने चान्सेस बढी हुन्छ सो दैट द बॉटम फेज अफ अ डेम आर मेड थिकर नेक्स्ट वन टर्म now we are turns to next one term write the difference between the force and pressure right difference between force and dear student do you know about the term force what is force is an external agent that changes the position of a body force is an external agent that changes the position of a body we are already discussed in our previous lesson or second lesson हामीले सेकेन्ड लेसनमा डिस्कस गरेका थियौ अबाउट द फोर्स एन्ड डिफरेंट एक्टिभिटीज अफ द फोर्स इफेक्ट्स अफ द फोर्स को बारेमा कुरा गरेका थियौ द यूनिट अफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन फोर्स को यूनिट के हुन्थ्यो न्यूटन्स हुन्थ्यो एन्ड व्हाट इज प्रेशर the force acting per unit area is called pressure force acting per unit area is called pressure force upon area is called pressure isn't it okay Its unit is Newton per meter square. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. And it is a scalar quantity. Pressure is a scalar quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Hope you are clear about the scalar quantity and a vector quantity. Those quantity which gives the both magnitude as well as the direction. जुन quantity मा magnitude र direction दुईवटै contain भएको हुन्छ. So types of quantity are called the vector quantity. Those quantity which have contains only magnitude. जुन quantity मा magnitude मात्रै contain भएको हुन्छ. So types of quantity are called the scalar quantity. Isn't it? Okay. Hope you can write the difference between force and pressure. Now we are going to discuss about the term atmospheric pressure. Next one term is atmospheric pressure. What is the atmospheric pressure? What is atmospheric pressure? The earth is surrounded with air around it. Our earth is surrounded by the air. This air is called the atmosphere. हाम्रो earth चाहिँ हेर्नुस् त surrounded by a air. Air ले हावाले के गरेको छ surrounded गरेको छ. This air is called the atmosphere. त्यसैलाई हामी के भन्छौं atmosphere भनेर भन्छौं. That is called the atmosphere. As we know, air is matter and it has the weight. It pressure on the surface of the earth. It is the matter, it has the weight. Air has its own weight. Air भनेको के हो? एउटा matter हो जसको चाहिँ के हुन्छ? Weight हुन्छ and it has the pressure on the surface of the earth. Atmosphere भनेको के रहेछ? Air surrounded the earth surface. Air ले चाहिँ के गरेको हुँदो रहेछ? Earth surface लाई surrounded गरेको हुँदो रहेछ. Air surrounded by the earth surface. This air is called the atmosphere. This air has the weight. त्यो air मा हावामा के हुँदो रहेछ weight हुँदो रहेछ which as the pressure जसको चाहिँ के पनि हुँदो रहेछ pressure पनि हुँदो रहेछ. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere are called the atmospheric pressure. The pressure supplied by our atmosphere, the pressure given by our atmosphere, जुन pressure developed by our atmosphere मा developed भएको हुन्छ, atmosphere को कारणले गर्दा develop भएको हुन्छ, which is called the atmospheric pressure. Okay student? Yes. The value of atmospheric pressure at the sea level is 760 mm of Hg. The value of atmospheric pressure, the pressure which is given by a atmosphere, it's called the atmospheric pressure. जुन pressure atmosphere को कारणले गर्दा developed भएको हुन्छ, so types of pressure is called the atmospheric pressure. Clear? Okay. The value of its value is 760 mm of Hg in the sea level, at the sea level, sea level मा यसको भ्यालु कति हुने रहेछ 760 mm of Hg हुने रहेछ. कुरा बुझ्नु भयो? You are clear student? Okay. I have completed today's class so that you are stay in home and focus in reading and read some examples and some definition related to the pressure. We will meet in our next class. Okay student, thank you, bye bye, see you soon.